You graduated from Chesterfield High School in 1985,
Yes. Right.
Providence College, and then you went to law school.
Which was the Franklin Pierce Law Center. It's now actually the UNH Law Center in Concord, New Hampshire. And I'm sitting in the Parker Junior High School with you right now at the studio, and I'm a graduate of the Parker Junior High School as well.
Wow. Okay, so you've been practicing for around 20 years now.
I was admitted in Massachusetts in January of '95, and I was admitted to practice in New Hampshire October of '96. So about 20 years.
So, yeah, wow. And you presently still live in Chelmsford.
I do.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so let's why don't you write a book on this? I mean,
I don't have time. I'd love to. It's my practice is very heavy on trials, and when you try a lot of cases, you see a lot of interesting facts and circumstances, and you certainly meet a lot of interesting people, from my clients to the police to the judges and the clerks and everyone. And what I love about my practice is I love trying cases to verdict. I love doing jury trials. I love going to a different court. And yesterday I tried a case to verdict in Springfield, and I don't get out to Springfield all that often.
Right.
And I had a really, really positive experience with everybody from the judge to the jury to the court officers and the prosecutor. And I had a good outcome. I was very fortunate, my client as well. But I love to go from court to court to court and
so
try
what
cases.
is a day this week? Let's say today is Tuesday.
Yep.
Monday you were in Springfield. What happened today?
So a typical week is Monday was Springfield. There was an OUI third trial, jury trial.
Right.
Today I was in
Not guilty or guilty?
Not guilty.
Okay, good.
Today I was in Nashua District Court on a assault or assault battery on a police officer type of case. It was a pretrial conference. Tomorrow I have a jury trial in Lowell on an OUI third as well. Thursday I've got a domestic assault and battery in Goffstown, New Hampshire. Friday I'll be in Salem District Court in New Hampshire and Concord District Court on 2 separate DWI matters. And in the background at the office behind all that is the rest of my practice and my personal injury work as well.
What about your staff?
My staff.
Let's talk about them,
Sure.
because if they're watching this, they're gonna.
I'm very lucky. I've had a woman that's been with me going on 15 years, Valerie Santos, and she is the lifeblood of the practice. She's the person who you will get on the phone when you call, and juggling my schedule is her primary function in being the point of contact with all of my clients as well. And she's wonderful, and my clients certainly appreciate it. My wife is an office manager. I've got 2 other associates that are working with me as well.
Is there any type of other cases that you take on besides?
Oh, my criminal
DUI
practice. Well, my criminal practice, I was about 90% of my criminal practice is drunk driving defense, license issues, Board of Appeal issues, but I do assault and batteries, domestic violence, drug possession. I just finished a case in federal court with a colleague of mine on a federal drug case. So I do other criminal defense work. The drunk driving defense is the vast majority of it. And then I've always maintained a very active personal injury practice. In law school, I worked for a firm in Boston that did personal injury work, and it's something that I enjoyed doing. I've had a lot of success with it, and I've always maintained a personal injury practice as well. Not quite as large in terms of the number of cases, but still a significant part of my practice. And the way my practice is set up, I try a lot of criminal cases week in and week out, and I think that prepares me very nicely to be able to go into a courtroom on a personal injury case, which many times those have to be tried to verdict as well. And that experience in the courtroom really pays off on the personal injury cases.